Om Shanti. You love obstacle or you afraid with obstacle? I'm asking. You love obstacle or you afraid with obstacle? You love? Huh? You know, before we start, there was a song. Many of you just listening but don't understand the meaning. Very good song. What was the song? Huh?
Never.
Just
sorry for disturbing. Is there someone who can translate from English to Hindi? There's some 40 souls from Pandabhavan, Punam. Okay, just come backstage. Go up. Continue.
So the song was, never tell God that I have so many problems. But at the same time, talk with problem. Don't worry, come. My God is powerful. Very good song. Huh? So you talk with God, you talk with obstacles, but different way. No need to tell Baba, I have so many problems. That is the song. I talk with problem. My God is very powerful. Now, very interesting. Overcoming obstacle. This is our subject today. With my experience, I have taken it different way, the same subject. Instead of overcoming obstacle, I love to walk with obstacle. I love to walk with obstacle as a friend. An obstacle change in a success. Because when we take obstacle as an obstacle, it become big fear, big lion. And fear is not good. Many people in the world getting cancer because of fear. Fear of anything. Little sickness can be obstacle. Someone argue with you, obstacle. You don't get success is obstacle. You want to go ahead in knowledge and you laukik. Put some obstacle, that is obstacle. You want to do service and other don't allow you to do it, that's obstacle. You're doing very good service and people blame you, that is obstacle. Many type of obstacle all around us. And when our mind have habit of anything, then it become bigger. I have obstacle and I want to overcome it. That is subtle consciousness, because you have obstacle. You have put already the seed in your consciousness, in your mind, in your thinking, in your action. I have obstacle actually. So we are putting seed of that word obstacle. But if we want to overcome, don't carry it. It's okay. How will I live all this year, wherever I am, Laukik, Alaukik, Africa or wherever? You know, I have created one nice sentence which helped me. Maybe I can tell you, you can try. Anything come on my way which is not favorable to me, my first answer within no problem. Any type of obstacle someone bring or someone tell, I have problem, and my response, no problem. What I done? I diluted it. Because I put no problem. If obstacle there, it's okay, but I know to solve it. I will solve it because Baba is with me. I don't want to tell Baba, solve my problem. I want to tell Baba, stay with me. I will solve it. Okay, Baba? You don't do anything. Stay with me. Good idea? We can't give trouble to Baba actually. Baba, stay with me. One day someone asked me, Amrit Vela, what you talk with Baba? What you ask Baba? What's my reply? I don't beg to Baba, begging. Baba, give me this, give me this, give me this, give me this. I'm not beggar to God. Because He's my Father. What I talk with Baba? Good morning, Baba. I'm here. I'm on this earth, Baba, on this world. People can see me. People cannot see you. Come on, Baba. Give me a list what I have to do today for your children. With authority. Today Baba said, Master God, tell Baba what I have to do today, whole day for you, for transformation of the world. So our day start with that authority, with that confidence, with that company of God, with that love, with that smile, with that relaxation, with that dancing, with that happiness. What is obstacle? We have a big building. When we have to do any painting outside, we have to take permission, something like that. Otherwise, the council people come and they ask for money and they give you trouble, something like that. Many times it happens. So the other around the center, whoever, they just give something and say, okay, go. So they are happy. Now one day, I decided, I want to change. When they came, I told everybody, don't go out, I'm going. 3 council people came. I said, hello, good morning, how are you? So we are fine, but we have come to ask you, what's happening here outside the wall? I said, it's my house, I'm painting to look it beautiful. So, but have you taken permission from council? I said, sorry. You're my children, I'm your mother. Go and take permission for me. Bring certificate because you are expert. Say, no, but you need to. I said, okay, you stop it. Now I'm stopping. Within a week you bring that paper, then I'll start it. They can consciousness for money. They wanted money, but now because I said you are my children, Kate, you are my children, go and bring permission for me. I am from India all the way 43 years working for this country. Peace for this country. I'm your mother asking me the permission paper. You can't do that for mother? They were looking to each other. I said, wait, don't go. I'm giving you something sweet. I'm giving you blessing. Wait, don't go. When they came in, I said, can you give me your card of council? Your official officers? They are afraid. I want to take it photocopy. I want to keep it in my register, so next time I can call you. They disappear. They disappear after Toli. They never given. So these wrong people coming on your way, you work with authority. And I have seen millions obstacles on my way. But I love the obstacles. I don't afraid. I'll find way. I'll find solution whichever way. So, change first your consciousness that, okay, I have this obstacle. Oh my Baba, please help me to solve this problem. No need to beg with God. Authority to tell Him. I remember one day, it was a big fire next door and it was coming to our building. Everyone was running, Fire brigade to call and this and that. I was sitting in reception. I said, Baba, this will burn, then we will make another one. It's okay. We'll get new one, Baba. Because it's your building, we can't do anything, it's drama. I was talking with Baba. I was not telling Baba, close this fire. Baba, it's your building. And it was bright sun, 5 o'clock, bright sun. I rang 2-3 our students nearby. They say, we can't come to help you because extreme traffic around. We can't reach in an hour even. I said, okay, I'm informing you. And then, within a 15 minutes, heavy rain, and fire stopped coming to this building. And meanwhile, fire brigade came to stop inside the next building. I asked next day the students, it was a rain? Say no. Only little area, very heavy rain. He done his work. Because he don't want to make another building. And because of that fire, some effect to the windows, to the glass, some crack. The insurance people from next door, from our side, came running. Only 5 or 6 glass got cracked, and 30 glasses they have changed, new, without any expense. Because we were not changing the glass, so this situation, this obstacle brought new bright glass. It's fine. So, after we have Baba, we live in our life with so much confidence. Nothing can go wrong. Today it look wrong. But tomorrow, something great, success coming on my way. That strong confidence, day and night, we are powerhouse. We are Baba's children. We have to do it practically in our life. If any little trouble to you in your physical body, and if doctor tell you, this is a problem, say okay. Go to another doctor, go to another doctor, go to another doctor. Finally, no problem. Nowadays, to go to doctor, doctors have also so many businesses, you know that. We have to be so much careful. I remember one mother came to me, sister, give me blessing because I have to admit to hospital. I said, I'll not give you blessing to admit in hospital. She said, but I have a boil and that is cancer. I said, but I don't know to give you blessing for that. She said, what I do? I said, tell your doctor, cancel your booking in a hospital, that room, go to another doctor. She went to another doctor. And that doctor found that that boil was little small. She came to me. What I do? I said, go to third doctor. She went to third doctor. And doctor said, where is that boil? There is nothing. Then all these procedures happen again. There was nothing. Nothing. And then she went again to the first doctor. And she said, now you can check it again and you admit me. And doctor checked and said, well, your boil has gone. And she said, my spiritual sister have done some meditations, it disappeared. Nothing is there. Fear is creating more sickness. If you have problem of income, don't worry. Money will come from any corner to you. You ever love money? You ever love money? I love. You know, if someone give me money, the envelope, I sit with love, front of Baba I open, and the notes, upside down. I put it nicely. I put it nicely in cupboard, multi-million time more. From where it come, where it go. Multi-million time more. From where it come, where it go. Blessing. Because in the golden age, we will become Lakshmi and Narayan. See the name Lakshmi. You need to love your position. You need to love physical also. I have seen people how they tackle money. They go to shopping. They do it and then the change come. They push in the purse, with the bills and all. I don't know, how they tackle money. You respect. The whole world is running through that Lakshmi. Even Yajna also running with the Lakshmi. We are becoming Lakshmi. You want money and you don't respect money, how it come? I tell many teachers in the world, you ever give vibration and love to your Bhandari? So, we never do it. How Bhandari pull money? You give vibration to your Bhandari. You give vibration to your center. You give vibration to your kitchen. You give positive vibration to your whole physical body. This is a temple. Wow, wonderful, this temple. I love. Because this, every kalpa and confluence is this I will get. I will not get the other one. The same. I have to respect, I have to love, I have to do exercise, I have to do breathing, I have to dance, I have to eat, I have to sleep. And this body will help. Sometime this body will get enough rest, sometime not. Today how was my day? I got up in the morning. From morning continuous I'm working. Continuous. One by one so many came to meet me. I ate very late, I think after 2:30, and still meeting. Up to the last meeting was 5 o'clock. I came here 5:30. I look lazy. Fresh. Because I have not put in this consciousness, I need rest. Otherwise, I will get sick. Now, you will get rest at night. Even after 7, still meeting 8:30. Chinese group. Huh? See? It's okay. No problem. So, we have to change here. The whole system, the whole thing, everything we have to change. And this body, all the particles, all the organs, all the vessels, whatever in this body, all the nerves will accompany with your thought, will ready to help you, will ready to join you. Don't live every day in the same box. Get up, Amrut Vela, and then this, then sleeping, then this, then this. Change every day. Thinking, attitude. And you will see every day you will get some new idea, some new experience, some new touching, new. And don't create only idea which you are not able to do. You create only the idea which you are able to do it. I have seen so many Brahmin, they have so much collection of CD and cassettes and classes and I don't know, so many songs and you know, the whole full cupboard. When they see, mercy on me, because I have no time to listen. I have no time to clean even. I have no time to use even. Up to the last minute of confluence age. Instead of that, just enjoy one point of Murli every day and dance all day. That is your song, that is your commentary, that is your lecture, that is your love with God. Enjoy. Because your collection in the cupboard disturb here. You know. We use computer, we use mobile, we delete what we don't need. Delete. You know, clean. If we want to become like Baba, you can imagine God have how many obstacles? How many obstacles God have? You will say, no, God have millions of obstacles because He's a father. Someone praise God, someone complain God, someone argue with God, you know, different type of attitudes. Someone don't believe in God. Someone say God is here, someone say God is nowhere. Someone say God is now here. Different, you know. Different comment on God. And when millions die, say, what? God, what you doing? You sleeping? And He is observer. If you want to see practically when Avyak Bapdada come, what happening? Like today, when one brother got little problem, you know, in the hall, everyone looking there. Have you seen when Bapdada come? Anything happen in the hall, Bapdada speaking. I was remembering and I started reading only continuous. Because copy of God, copy of Bap Dada we have to do. Because even we see we can't do anything, only doctor can do that. Yeah? So situation is diverting our attention now and then in our life. And we pulled by it. And God never pulled by it. That's why He obstacle free. How many things happening upside down in the world? How many things? And we all are His children. His Father. He is ocean of mercy. Where is His mercy? If you don't do anything. Millions dying. You know what? He don't care if soul leaving body. Because soul changing the cloth. And He knows that soul will never die. His children never die. God's children, the souls, never die. So He's not worried. And we are our act conscious, We forget our soul conscious stage. And then we worried for many things. Every day night when we go to sleep, one mattress we sleeping and 10 mattress on our body. Every day. And that is stress, worry, thinking about obstacle, worrying, planning, what will happen tomorrow. I'm right or wrong? Right? Who's putting mattress on you? We allow only to sleep on one mattress. Who taught us to put 10 mattress on top of it? How much heavy it is? You can imagine. And that heaviness we are holding. That's why our night is not good. So that's why it's not good night. We need to start our day from night. We need to start our morning from night. If we start our night good before we go to sleep, create habit. Good night, good night, good night. Before you go to your room, say hello, good night, good night, good night, good night, good night, everybody. So any dispute to have in the house, in the center, because you said good night. So it become lighter. We have system there, either we are 2 or 10 or 12. Everyone, we have systems. So, okay, good night, good night, good night. So, any misunderstanding or anything happen in a day, we're not going with that in our room. Otherwise room become heavy. Light. So we have to prepare our night good night. Then we go to sleep. And natural when we get up with good sleep, it good morning. What happening? When we sit for Amrut Vela, you ask yourself. Everyone ask yourself, what we doing in Amrut Vela? Everyone have different answer. Because Baba taught us, Dadi taught us, Senior taught us, Murli tell us, Amrut Vela, Amrut Vela, Amrut Vela. So we run from the bed. We have to reach in time. We sit in Amrut Vela. What we doing? Because we not paid attention to prepare ourselves for Amrut Vela. Little fresh air, little breathing, to drink little nice water, washing with the cool nice water, make ourselves fresh. We don't do that when we run. And most of the time you check within a 45 minutes, most of your time is going in dozing, sleeping, closing eye, not taking power from God, all this funny thing happening. And Baba is watching. Baba want to give you. But the receiver is not there. We are receiver, he is giver. Where he give? Yes, Baba, yes, Baba, yes, Baba, yes, Baba, yes, Baba. Baba, give. Then, within a 45 minutes, you get so much. So where is obstacle? Where is obstacle? Tell me. Because already you collected so much power from Baba. And you made God happy. You know that? You know that? Secret? You know, one day someone asked me, what make you awake, alert and powerful Amrit Vela? What thing make you awake? And my reply, I just, think, early in the morning before traffic control song, even that Amrit Vela song, my Baba is waiting for me to give me. Let's go. Let's go. My Baba is waiting to give me. He is waiting to give. And if I don't reach, how he feel? Because he have only this confluence age to give. And he is philanthropist. He want to give and give and give. And if he want to take, he take our negativity. He take all our negativity and he giving all positivity. So we have to be ready with so much love. Yes, Baba, I'm ready. I'm ready. And find the way how you remain alert for that. Don't make yourself heavy with thinking about obstacle. At night, clear all cloud. People have a problem to get up in the morning. And what problem I have? I have to wait for Amrit Vela. I'm waiting. I'm waiting means you will wonder that if I get up, I can run to Baba's room. We have a system. It's Africa. You can't run alone to open the doors. You have to wait for other 2-3 people go together. Because 1 door, 2 door, 3 door, 4 door, 5 door, you have to open and you have to reach to Baba's room. And you have to be careful or around if thieves come and enter in somewhere. You have to be careful, Baba is there, but we have to be careful also. So, I wait. Let someone come, then we go together and we open the doors and we go. But meanwhile, I can remember Baba in my room. And to get more fresh. You can awake yourself. You breathe Baba. Can we breathe Baba? My sweet Baba. My beloved Baba. I love you. You are so great, my Baba. Thanks, Baba. You coming from the soul world. It's a long journey for you, Baba. I'm ready, Baba. Make awake yourself. Don't make lazy Amrit Vela. Powerful Amrit Vela. And then what will happen? That energy will help you for the whole day. Any type of obstacle will disappear from your way. Like Pakin Bhai said that when I want to surrender, my father was not ready. I done powerful yoga for 6 months. He was alive in the same house and in the room, I have put his photograph to give him yogdan. He is in another room sleeping. I am giving him yogdan that you are so good father. You are so good father. You will allow me to become Brahma Kumari and you are so great. Your daughter is very good, serviceable, will do service of the world. You are very good. He was not good father for that. When I asked for that, he became angry. But because I changed here through meditation, so he said, okay, go for 1 month. I know you will come back. What do you want? Letter for 1 month permission. In Yagya, 1 month later only in Yagya, and already 53 years. I never asked another letter from him. I wrote letter to, that time Sakka Baba was there. I wrote letter to Baba, Baba, I want to surrender, but my father is not allowing me. Baba written letter to me. Are you goat or lion? Goat say bang, 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 and lion roaring. Lioness become lioness. And yes, I done it. I threw it. So, confluence age, how many are finished now? You are new, maybe first time in Madhuban. You are new in knowledge. But confluence age is not waiting for anybody. How many year has gone? Huh? Forgot. Huh? 80, 81, forgot. Yajna started in 1936. So, now over 80, the Sangam Yuga has finished. Now you can imagine how many years remain more. Even more year there, but we will live in this body maybe that many years. From here we walk out, we don't know death is there. We don't know. So this moment, I have to do effort. The last moment of the life, that will be the first moment of the new birth. So, we have to live every second with happiness. What Baba said today. Which children Baba like? Dancing, enjoying, remembering Baba, loving Baba. In that consciousness, doing service of Baba. And then you will get different touching in the field of service. One day, one mother came from India. She was in knowledge. She came in. She said, I am here for 1 hour, my husband in the car. I said, why not inside? No, he is astrologer. He don't like Brahma Kumari. Even in India, he don't come to the center. He allowed me to go, but so he will be in the car. I said, okay, no problem. You sit in Baba's room. I went near the car. I said, hello brother, how are you? He said, fine. I said, you not coming to your sister house? No need, because my wife is just doing meditation and coming. I said, brother, I am from India. I am from Gujarat. Oh my God. You come and see what your sister is doing in Africa. Come. I never told him, show him that he is astrologer. He is just my brother. I said, come and sit. When he came in, I said, brother, I am so happy. What are you doing? I am astrologer. I said, oh, I am so happy. Even my father was astrologer. So I am so happy. But my father never tell our fortune. Because astrologer never allowed to tell their children. So he never tell. But brother, I am telling you one thing. My father was not ready to allow me to become Brahma Kumari. But then I told my experience. After 1 hour, I said, brother, your time finished now, you go because your wife finished meditation and Murli. No, sister, I like your story. He came 9 o'clock, I said, go 10 o'clock because I have another work, I told. No, sister, tell more stories. And I told how I met Brahma Baba, how Brahma Baba changed my name, how I am doing service in Africa. And it was up to 12 o'clock. And then I said, brother, you are my brother, you will take lunch? Say, yes. He taken lunch and he left 1 o'clock. He listened everything. Indirectly, first time his footstep in Brahma Kumari center. He never gone in Bombay any center because he has his ego of astrology. You understand? Baba give you touching how to serve any kind of soul, anywhere. It's very, very simple. If we feel inside that Baba is with me. That's why first sentence I said, I love obstacle. Why? Because if no obstacle, we will be lazy. Our yoga power will not increase. We will be not courageous. We will be not powerful. As many more obstacles come, it teaches you lesson. Every obstacle coming to teach something. Do this way, 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 do this way. So obstacles are our teachers. If they will stop, we will be lazy. And we don't want to become lazy in confluence age. No worry. Time is finishing. So what I want to say, that maybe you have listened before also, but because today is this obstacle, what? Overcoming obstacle. See, I forget subject even. I don't want to bound myself with subject even. So one day, one young man came to the center. You know this story? Maybe many don't know the story. And he asked receptionist, where is your in charge? I want to see her. So they rang in the kitchen that someone want to see you. I was eating. I said, tell, I finished my lunch and come. Say, but he's in anger, come quick. I left. I washed my hand, I came. Yes, brother. You are in charge? I said, yes. God is here in charge. But what you want? He said, I want to talk with you. I said, okay, come, we sit and talk. And he asked me, why are you allowing my mother in this center? I said, 100 people come here. I don't know who is your mother. If you have any problem with Brahma Kumari, stop her at home. Why are you asking me? Say, if you will speak too much, I will close your center here. And I was looking like this. Don't speak too much. And slowly he taken out his gun. I will shoot you. And I smiled. I said, okay, it's okay. He said, don't speak much. Are you ready? I said, yes. How? If you will kill me, I'll go to my Baba, my God. If you will not kill me, I will do service for my God. I'm happy here, I'm happy there, because I don't die, I'm soul. But if you happy to do it, do it. And his gun was like this. He put aside and he done like this. I said, brother, cool down. I can bring water for you, something for you, relax. He said, sorry, I had so much anger at home on my mother, but I had no chance to become angry. So I came to her institution. I said, don't worry, she's your mother, I am your mother. At least you got chance to become angry on her or me, don't worry. And he said, Sister, sorry. He taken water, he taken biscuit, he cooled down. He said, Sister, now I'm going, but in future, anytime you need any help, just ring me. I will be there to help you because I'm working in police department. You see? Big obstacle. When he was speaking, I will kill you, all the other sisters around, they were listening, but they know that if they will come, this one will be more angry. So they were listening and they were worried that within a short time our sister Vedanti will die. And they were, uneasy. And I was so easy. And still I'm here. So, we can't complain why too much heat, use fan. We can't complain why rain, use umbrella. We can't complain why too much cold, use warm cloth. We can't complain why obstacles, we find our way to reach to our destination. So, we need to prepare ourselves with that consciousness. Now 10 minutes I am giving you for question and answer, okay? 10 minutes. 10 minutes I am giving you because I am speaking only. I want you to speak. 10 minutes for you. Yeah? Anything you want to ask. Can they get mic?
Well, I guess they want to hear more experiences.
It will come. You ask.
But it's not a question, but I was just going to say that, we do meditation in a very boring way. We don't do it as entertaining as you do. Boring in the sense that we keep repeating. I guess you can ask anybody. But we keep saying that we are soul and point of light and all that. So how to really graduate to a next level or a next mode?
Okay. Good. Never do yoga boring way. Entertaining way. You create yoga with entertaining, then you will able to do more and more and more and more and more time. You will love. Recently we had a wonderful project, You see, when I was living Madhuban in March and I reached Ahmedabad and I got sick. I have to come back to Madhuban to meet Baba. I have to go to Delhi for big program. Everything stopped. I was in one room for 5-6 days. I decided this will bring a great fruit. And I started to plan on paper. I'm going Africa back, and there will be a big project on angelic stage. Because last Murli of last season, it angelic form. You remember? So we decided, and I reached Nairobi, and we prepared nicely that a project of 5 months, 153 days for Africa. And we sent circular everybody, and everybody said, wow, wonderful. What project? Every day someone doing 8-hour yoga, anywhere, any corner in Africa, at home, in the center. Every day one person have to do 8 hour, and we have to note it. It is not that one day one empty. One day more can do, one can do many days. I wanted only in a 5 month 153 people, right? Only. Up to end of September, 30th September, 5 month project. And in that, everyone have to do effort. Past is past. Finish past. Do effort. Present, check and change, and future, create a wonderful vision of your future. That is the effort subject. And 8 hour yoga, entertaining yoga, different way, different. Love Baba, different way. Father, teacher, mother, guru, life partner, create different. Don't follow the commentary which you just do. Create your own commentary. Variety commentary. Every day you create the way you love Baba. Don't follow that just every day you putting in the tape record and just solo and this and that and Paramnam. No. Let's Baba go to serve the President of America. Let's go Baba. Let's go Baba here. Let's go Baba here. Let's go Baba here. Let's we touch the scientists. Just do different way you but keep Baba with you. Entertaining you. The 30th September, the result has come up. We have put, just check Rosary. You will find it on 1st October. We have circulated it. It 4 pages. Bab Dada's message on 1st October and what Africa has done and what circular we sent to them and what experiences you will find in Rosary. But the outcome was 3,160 people have done 8 hour yoga with love. And wonderful experiences. And Baba said on 1st October in the message that my children, every individual get different result in their particular life. I am telling you what me and what Nairobi and what Kenya is getting outcome of it. After it finished, 1st October, 30th finished, 1st October I have to fly. And the group has come up to me, you don't go. I said, no, I have to go. I promised Brother Marcelo. Brother Marcelo, I promised him I will help. I can't say no. They say, but you can't go. Now election time, we need you here. We want to do something. I asked Baba next day. 1st October morning, I asked Baba. Baba said, no, you promise, you go. Come back quick when they need. Brother Marcelo. So I came. Now Baba said, you don't need for planning, you need for action. Today, everything finalized. I have to go back normally on 16 evening from Madhuban. My flight 17. Everything changed today. Now I'm leaving on 8th. My flight is on 10, 9, and I'm leaving 9th, 10th my flight. And 12 to 17, a big program happening there from Brahmakumari to establish peace in the country. Already within 4 days, so many people are in our favor because before 5 years ago at the time of election, Brahma Kumari has done the project Right to God and it affect to the whole country. Already we got result. So many people are in favor and they are saying, so already it's logo and the pamphlet and poster and newspaper supplement, media, everything is in our favor and that's why I have to reach back early. But I promised Marcelo Bhai, Baba said no go. So I'll be with you up to 7th is okay? Okay? So what I'm saying that anything come on your way, just feel free to eat and enjoy. entertaining yoga. Enjoy yourself. Confluence age is a little, when you eat, you enjoy. You know, let me tell you, when I have to cook something, I go in the kitchen as a dancing dolly. Baba, today what you want to eat? Vegetable rice? I'm talking myself, but I'm like a talking with Baba. Okay, Baba. Okay, let me take out rice. Then let me wash it. Let me cut vegetable. Okay, Baba, come together. We cook it with the flavor. See, just this is a yoga. What else? Simple. Why you make it complicated? I never make it complicated. You know, one day I was going to meet High Commissioner. So the one who was driving said, sister, that area is very much traffic. We have to park car very far. So I will drop you near the gate. I will park. Meanwhile, you wait for me. I said, why are you talking now on the road? Just drive. We will get parking next door. And we'll go. When we reach there, just there is the gate of High Commission and we park there. Just little walking. We both walk together. Thought power. Why are you thinking negative? This way it will happen and that way it will happen. And what you want it will happen. Your thoughts should be very powerful. Okay? Om Shanti. Good luck. I'm sure the 3 questions which you got, you have done work. Om, the journey, and Om Shanti. You done it? You have done. You have to do up to whatever, as many days you are here. Om to Om Shanti. You know, whole year my one slogan this year. Every day I take one slogan. Last year it was an angelic stage, and this year Om Shanti. Om Shanti. I love Om Shanti. So my whole year is, my effort is enjoying Om Shanti. So, Om Shanti to you all.